Welcome to GQUAT Traditions. Oh my goodness, so much is going on. In December, I planted a garden in Arizona at the family place there. Look at the rosemary, the lemon balm is popping up, the chives are growing out there. It's winter in the desert. Look at the lemon balm. The monsoons made them grow. The beets are coming along after the long winter. Celery. The celery is cut and come again. We're eating a lot of that out there. I'm not. My sister is. It's at her house. My son Aaron came to visit. Look at him and his grandma. In love since the beginning. Lots of birthdays. Sharita had a birthday. And she does a lot of the baking in the house. She baked 3 coconut cakes for an event. All these cupcakes. Me, I've got my planter garden herbs put in the ground. Put some hot peppers in the arrow garden. More cakes. I forgot to show them before, but they're too beautiful to let them slide. I made Sharita a birthday bag. She didn't get it yet because I was still working on it here in another part of Connecticut, but she will get it soon. It was made from the old jeans from her 3 children. My grandmother, may she rest in peace, March 6th would have been her 113th birthday. And to say have a nice day, lifetime, you guys, is the youngest member of the family, Rylan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications bell so you can see us again.